Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you if the Redmi 13 has an IR blaster. A quick answer is that the Redmi 13 does have an IR blaster. It is visible on the top, right here. It's the only other thing on the top except for the headphone jack. To use the IR blaster, you can use the pre-installed Mi Remote app, which you can find in your app drawer by searching for Mi Remote, or by using the quick settings drawer and searching for it here. If you don't find it here, you can tap on Edit, find it anywhere in here, tap and hold and then drag it to the desired place, then click Done, and you'll be able to find it here. Tapping on it will enter the same Mi Remote app. Then you can just add a remote, pick your desired device, find the brand, and then just try out the different configurations. Just try it out, switch, let's say this responds to that. You can just try it out, and just if it doesn't work, that might mean that your IR blaster is maybe dirty, or there's something between the sensor on the device and the IR blaster of your phone. Just remember that the IR blaster on your phone may be weaker than the one on the remote. So you'll have to be closer and make sure that you're pointing it correctly. But if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.